Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sneha. I am Bangladeshi and a student of class 5 at Monipur Uchcha Vidyalaya College. Today I am telling my 13th story, which I have written on March 2021. If you like my stories and eager to hear more, please like, subscribe and share my channel. The Honest Boy. There was a boy named John who lived in a city of Malaysia. He was very honest. Everyone in the school knew him as John the Honest Boy. Everybody was his friend and well-wisher, except some of his classmates and their parents. One day, they planned a conspiracy. They called omen and fake police. The next day, when John was going home from school, the omen swiftly entered a gold chain in John's pocket and screamed and said, "Someone has stolen my gold chain." Everybody gathered. Soon the fake police came and said, "What happened?" The omen said, "Someone has stolen my gold chain." "I have doubt on this boy," said the omen, pointing at John. After that, the police checked John and found the chain in John's pocket and called John's parents by taking the mobile number from him. After they came, the fake police said, "What have you taught your son? Did not you give him any lesson about honesty?" Then John's parents said, "What happened, officer?" Then the fake police said, "Your son is a thief. He has stolen a gold chain of this lady." John's parents were surprised. John said, "My name is John. My parents have taught enough honesty. I didn't steal the chain and don't know how it came in my pocket." The fake police said, "Oh, the chain came in your pocket automatically, isn't it?" "Officer, I don't know how the chain came in my son's pocket, but I know how honest my boy is. So, if you have fine, we will give the money," said John's father. After that, John's father signed a check and said, "Officer, put the amount on the check and bring it from the bank." After that, John went home with his parents and tried to say that he didn't stole the chain, but his parents stopped him by saying, "No need to worry. We know you didn't steal the chain." After that, John studied and worked according to his daily routine. But on the other hand, the conspiracy wasn't finished yet, because they knew that John's parents had true belief on him. So, a boy from the conspiracy group named Harry recorded from the frame of the omen and until the last word of the police. And the next day, after John arrived at the school, everybody in his school stopped talking with him. Even the teachers were mad with him except his best friend, Jack, who also had true belief on John. John asked Jack what happened. Jack said, Harry has shared a video in social media in which a gold chain was found from your pocket. Everybody believed it and started hating you. John became very sad. After class, John rushed home. Everybody in his society also started hating him. Everybody in his society hated his parents too. John has an aunt named Lily. Came to his house. She saw that John was very sad and said, Why are you so sad? What happened? After that, he said the story. Then Lily said, Did you steal the golden chain? I know the answer is no. I know that because I have true belief on you. So, those who have true belief on you will know you the best. So, don't be sad, but rather be happy because you have identified those who have temporary love and belief on you. Rather be more honest than before, but not be honest to get love from others, but be honest for being an ideal man in life. Being an ideal man is the main target of our lives. If you can become an ideal man, everybody will automatically love you. So, if you want to become an ideal man in life, be honest first and read attentively. Understood? John became happy and said yes. After few months, John and his parents moved to another city as his father was transferred. After that evening, when John was playing hide and seek in the park with other children, he suddenly saw a woman coming out from the bushes and running out from the park. He searched the bush and found a bag full of diamond and gold. He immediately took the bag to the police. The police appreciated him and said, "Thank you very much. What's your name? We were searching this bag for a week. Did you see who kept the bag?" John said, I am John. Yes, I saw a woman rushing from the bushes. Maybe she has kept it in the bushes. The police said, can you help us by telling the sketch artist the face of the woman? John said, it's my pleasure. He told the face of the woman. After a few days, the thief was arrested. After that, John was nationally rewarded. John always remembered the word of his aunt. He stood fast in all the classes. After his graduation, he became a writer to teach people about being honest and ideal person. One of his books became one of the 3 bestseller books in the world. One day, few classmates of John who conspired with him came to his house and said, is Mr. John here? John recognized them and said, yes, I am John. How do you know me? Then they said, yes, you are most renowned artist in the world. Then John said, okay, why did you came here? They said, to take a selfie with you and get your autograph. John said, okay, you can take a selfie with me and give your notebook. Then John said, can I ask you a question? They said, yes. John said, do you remember a boy who was in your class? He was very honest. They confessed, yes, we conspire with him because everybody loves him due to his honesty. John said, what conspiracy? They said the whole story of the golden chain. Then they again said, we never seen him after primary school. John said, why did you remember him? They said, we remember him because he was very honest. Then John said, thanks for your conspiracy. I have learned from that whatever happens in your life, you have to be honest. If you be honest and study attentively, you will succeed in life. If you be honest, everybody will remember you. They said, how we have teach you? Then John said, I am John, the honest boy. They became surprised and said, sorry dear. No sorry, no need to say sorry in friendship, said John. Then they hugged each other with love and affection. After that, John became most renowned person in the world due to his honesty. After that, John became very happy. The end. Thanks for listening.